Merry Christmas everyone, I hope you're all having an awesome day with your loved ones and family and friends. Because today we will be making a glögg, which is a Swedish version of the mulled wine. Because the only thing I can't do is the Aquavit, so I will be doing a vodka as a substitute for it. Because so let's get on with it, shall we? Right, get your red wine. Because if it's for 6 to 8 people, you'd pour in all of it. But we're going to do it for 2 for 3, so we'll use half a bottle. Right, put it on a slow burn as well. Next, 100 ml of vodka. So if you've got Aquavit, I'd use that. But if it gets glögg, I'm probably murdering how the Swedish say it. Next, I think we'll put on the sugar now. So 100 ml of sugar. Well, so it's another winter warmer, the glögg is. So it's more wine. Right, now put in your orange zest. We'll say about 2 teaspoons. Next, teaspoon of almonds. Perfect. Half teaspoon of raisins. I'm using mixed fruit. Give it a bit more flavour. It will do. Might be mixed in with salt on it. Let's put in a little bit more because it's Christmas. Right, 8 cardamom pods, so a teaspoon. I'll take a bit of this. Next ingredient, guys, is half a teaspoon of ginger. There you go. Right, 8 cloves. Because I don't have to be precise. Last, 1 cinnamon stick. Easier. There we go. We'll just keep stirring this now for 5 minutes. Just give it a stir until all the sugar's dissolved and then be ready. So I've got it on a medium heat of 2. So as soon as I'm happy with it, I'll put onto a slow burner of 1. Right, after 5 minutes, take it off the oven or stove if you're American. So it's now nice and warm. I'm going to serve this warm. But first, you would use a big metal scoop to scoop into your glass, but I don't have that luxury, so we'll go to do the hard way. And I've got a better way. I think it'd be better to pour the pan into that and then try and do it like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do it this way. Well, I might get what I can do. Nice and warm. Right, this should serve about 2 to 3 people in my version. So it's worked out pretty well. It's nice and warm, as you can feel it there. Let the cameraman feel it.
Ooh, yeah. Ow, that burns.
Nice winter warmer. Right, now to sieve it into our glass. You can use a small coffee cup if you wish, or a small cocktail glass. But we're using the coupe. There we go, beautiful. Right, now to finally garnish it with a cinnamon stick. Beautiful. One Swedish glögg. I think I'm saying that right. Anyone from Sweden, please do correct me. I think it's Glögg like that. I don't know if it's like a German O like that. They say But how does this Swedish version of the mulled wine taste? It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm not fully keen on winter warmers. There's one obviously that keen on hot spice side, but this certainly hits the notes in my back of my throat and my chest. It's beautiful. It's a really nice sweet taste with the red wine and the vodka and the sugar mixed together with this nice spicy taste to it. I love it. Yep, I definitely do.
Anyway.
But there we go, guys. That is how you make a glögg. Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, as I will be doing a Tom and Jerry next in about 2 or 3 days time, so you've got that to look forward to, and I will see you then. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktail videos, and I will see you for the next cocktail video, the Tom and Jerry. Cheers. Try and do this as best as I can.
I can see my top of my head right there in the reflection.